Right, for your first part of your soldering practice, you're going to use the fine piece of wire I gave you. You're going to cut it into 4 to 5 pieces around 30 millimeters long. Cross them on the board. Then you're going to use some masking tape. You're just going to hold them in place to stop them from moving. What you are going to do is, with your soldering iron, you're going to rest that on the wire and lean it on the wire by the side of it. If it wasn't taped down, it will try and roll away from you. Then you'll bring the solder up to the edge, the other side. Once that melts, it'll run through, and there you have a nice little neat solder. You can untape it and just check that your solder is sealed. So there's your nice neat solder. So practice that please with your other bits of wire and join them all together until your soldering is well